Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we gonna clone homepage of Google and later on Facebook. So let's have fun with Chrome, Google Chrome developer tools. So let's begin. So I go to google.com. So this is google.com. So you can right click it over here and go to inspect. This is one of the methods. So you can see by default it's going down. So you can click on this three dots. It's called the hamburger menu. You can dock it on the right. I prefer it on the right. You can dock it on the left. Dock it on the left, and the page is over here. This is the source code, and you can also undock it like totally independently, wherein you can work around in a different space. Anyways, I consider it docking on my right, and let me just refresh it once again. So this is google.com. Shortcut is F12 on the keyboard, so you can also hit on F12, or you can also go to more tools, developer tools, one and the same thing. All right, so let's see. If you want to see the source of this image, we can right click on this and hit on inspect. You can see this is, if you double click on this, so this is the Google image. You can right click and you can pretty much save it anywhere you want. I'm not gonna save it. So that's one way about it. Now let's play with different aspects of Google homepage. So firstly, let's change this particular text. So you can see I'm feeling lucky. I would change it to I am a superhero. You can see that I'm on google.com. This is Google search. I'm a superhero. Instead of Google search, I'll type here, say, double click over here, my cool engine. So this is the another way. So you can see I changed it to my cool engine. So that's the way you can edit your HTML. Few other things, we can change the font size and other aspects of this particular area. So we can hit on inspect element once again. So you can see over here, let's click it over here and let's hit on inspect. So over here we can change the font size if you want. So let me click it once again over here and say just double click it, and you can see it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and you can just hit on the down arrow and the up arrow and change these pixels. That's another cool thing. Another thing I would like to show is you can change this button size also. So you hit on inspect right on the button. So over here you can see this is the CSS, this is the style, this is the HTML. We are still on the elements tab. Alright, and you can see the border color. We can change the border color, we can change the border. So all the different things, the padding, the margin, the font size. So let's try and change the font size. You can see it's becoming big, it's becoming bigger, 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 as much as I want. And look at that, I think this looks cool. You can see the box, we have played around with it. If you want, we can also remove this Google icon. So I can hit on inspect, and I can double click on this and just remove it, and double click again on this and remove it, and hit on enter, and you can see the Google logo is gone totally. So and everything has changed. So I messed around with the things. So instead of sign in and Gmail, let's try and change this. So instead of sign in, you can see I would like to say uh, hello world, and you can say I change it to hello world. And similarly, I can right click on this, inspect, and I can change Gmail to say my mailbox. Just for example, I change it to my mailbox. So you can see the whole page is being messed around totally. So once we hit refresh, everything comes back to normal, and now we are not messing around much. So now let's have a quick look how to clone this. So there are two ways of doing this. First, you can right click, you can hit on save as, and you can save as Google HTML. Okay, and I'm giving a path on desktop. So web page complete, remember there are three options. So web page complete is important, and you hit on save. And let me just quickly show you. If I right click on this open with Google, you can see the Google page is open, but it's not perfectly okay. You can see on the URL, it's forward slash home, the directory path. Okay, so that's just one thing. Now let's go to Facebook. So this is Facebook, everyone knows Facebook. So let's clone this completely. So there's a cool different way. So you can right click it, you can go to view page, so this control plus U, or you can hit control plus U, and you can see line wrap. You hit on line wrap, you hit control A, you hit on copy. Okay, and then you open your favorite text editor and you just paste it over here, and just file save as. So you can give it Facebook. If you want to make a phishing page, like phishing page, maybe that's not a good idea, .html. And on desktop I'll save it. Then say I've saved it on desktop, and I'll just minimize everything. You can see Facebook phishing page is over here. I can right click, open with, and say Google Chrome, and you can see exact copy of Facebook has been loaded. You can see, you can change this thing into your URL and inject your malicious code with the login, so you can grab or snatch that particular into JavaScript. So that's one of the things to do. Another thing, how about Instagram? I have found out a cool new way of downloading images. Yes, that's correct. So downloading images, I'll just let you know. So this is Instagram on desktop. So this is the image, suppose I'm looking for. So right click on this, and if I hit on save as, it's showing me your HTML. There's no other way of saving it as an image. So again, you use developer tools, you right click on this, hit on inspect. Okay, and then you go to, you hover your mouse pointer. You can see as you hover, you can exactly see where you are. So you hover till you go to that particular div. Div is a division. So let me just have a look. I guess this is a div. No, this is the div, and I'll hit on inspect once again. Let's have a look. So this is the image which you're looking for. Double click on this, right click on this, I'll copy this, I'll open this, and I'll hit Control V and hit enter. You can see there's a signature mismatch anyways. So let's hit on this link probably, and boom, the photo has been loaded, and we can save image as, say, friends. So I can hit on, say, like, save this image as friends.jpg on desktop, and let me just show it to you. It opens exactly as it is natively. So that's one of the tricks. If you observe carefully, Facebook is Instagram. So Instagram images are nothing but Facebook. So you can see quickly the URL Instagram fbomb to fbcdn.net. So that those are one of the things. So these things are included under developer tools, and there are many other things. So suppose once again we can see how Google is made. So if you go to google.com, hit on developer tools, you can hit on sources, you can find some interesting information like images. So there are branding images. So this is one of the image. You right click and you can save this image or do whatever with it. Then the search box, you can check it out. And there's index.html. This is the index.html. So this index.html is exactly the same as you hit on Control U. It's exactly the same as you can hit on 9wrap or HTML beautifier that acts like a beautifier. So these are the things which I wanted to point out to you guys. Have fun with Chrome developer tools. Thank you for watching. Bye.